Welcome to this video. Today, we're going to take an AI-generated image made with ChatGPT and transform it into a professional logo. We will use two line drawing tools, the two-point line and the freehand line tool. During the explanation, you will see why use both tools instead of just one, and what the difference is between them in practice. We will start by drawing the rock at the bottom of the image, using the two-point line tool. This is because there aren't many details, and I need long straight lines. Let's start by drawing the first line. Pay close attention to how the cursor changes into an arrow. This means the two lines will be connected together. Now we've reached the last line. At the start, the cursor needs to turn into an arrow to connect it with previous line, and at the end it must connect with the first line. The cursor changes into an arrow again, and this way we get a closed shape that we can fill with color. Now we will start drawing the goat using the freehand tool. I'll keep the settings as they are so you can see the difference it makes. If you notice that the line is far from the path we drew, we will change the settings. Here in freehand smoothing, reduce the value down to 50% and try again. Now the line is closer to the drawing, so we will use it this way. Here, it's the same principle as the two-point line. When we move the cursor near the node, it changes into an arrow, which means it will connect with the previous line. We will continue with the remaining parts of the image. Here, we need a longer curves, so I'll switch to the two-point line and draw the remaining parts in that way. Here, I don't need the shapes to be closed, because I will use Smart Fill to create the final shape. After finishing, we want to convert the line into a curve, so we need to select all its nodes. The easiest way is to double-click the Shape tool to select all the nodes. Click Convert to Curve. We start making curves from the lines we have. In this spot, because Snap is enabled, it doesn't respond. They want to make curves over long distances. So, we zoom in to make small adjustments more easily. We continue in the same way for the rest of the shape. Here, in some areas, we need to add extra nodes. We double-click on the line to add a new node, and then continue. Now we select all the lines, right-click, and group them. Select Smart Fill and click anywhere inside the shape to create it. Select the two shapes and weld. We draw a rectangle around the shape. Next we need to create a background behind the shape, so select Ellipse tool and draw a circle. We draw a sharp corner using the 2-point line tool to add extra touches to the background. Now, using Smart Fill, we create the background. Select the new shapes and combine them. Fill the background with color. And that's it! We've successfully transformed our AI-generated image into a complete logo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.